Okay guys, welcome back. Number 31, we have a proton that is going in a speed on the right side in a capacitor of 1 times 10 power 6 meter per second. Actually it's a parallel capacitor and there's a positive and negative on both sides. The electric field on the capacitor is 1 times 10 power 5 meter per second, and it showed the electric field is going down. Okay, so now on A, what is the magnetic field and the direction of the magnetic field? Okay, I use the formula of the speed multiplied by the magnetic field. So 1 times 10 power 5 equal the speed of the proton, and that 1 times 6 meter second multiplied by the magnetic field. So we're gonna divide the 1 power 5 divided by the speed. So we're gonna divide both of this side if you wanna isolate the magnetic field, and that will give us 0.1 Tesla. If you use the right hand tool, we know the speed is going to the right. That's your finger in the middle. The thumb will be shown up. So the magnetic field, the force of the magnetic field is up. That means the electric field is, the force of electric field is down, and the electric field is down, meaning that the magnetic field will be into the page. Okay, that's the direction of the magnetic field. For the reference frame, we already have the formula for that, and that's the electric field reference frame is equal to electric field plus the speed multiplied by the magnetic field. So the reference frame of the electric field is equal to 1 times 10 power 5 volt per meter plus 1 times 10 power 6 meter per second multiplied by 0.1 Tesla. And the electric field reference frame will be equal to 11 times 10 power 4 volt per meter. For the reference frame for the magnetic field is equal to the magnetic field minus 1 divided by the speed of light square multiplied by the speed of the proton multiplied by the electric field. Electric field. So that reference frame of the magnetic field will be equal to 0.1 minus 1 times 10 power of 6 meter per second divided by 3 times 10 power speed of the light multiplied by the electric field, and that's 1 times 10 power 5. And the reference frame of the magnetic field will be equal to 1 times 10 power 4 Tesla. Okay, make sure that you answer from the frame reference formula not the forces. They are asking us to find the frame reference. For number C, if the experimental see there is no forces acting on the electric field, that's mean the force of the magnetic field is up and the force of electric field is down. And if he doesn't see any deflection of the proton, that's mean both forces will be equal. And that's why he doesn't see any deflection of the proton. No deflection on the proton, on the direction of the proton, because force electric field equal force of the magnetic field.